How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. In today's video, we are back to work on the XJ yet again. If you've seen the last video, we just got this thing running, but it would not hold an idle. It was running smooth. Everything sounded good, just wouldn't idle, which is what we're going to handle today because I think it has to do with the exhaust system. It is open header right now. It's just dumping right out of the header. None of the O2 sensors are hooked up, so there's no oxygen reading getting to the Jeep. The air box is not in with its vacuum lines all hooked up. So once we get all that on, that should handle our idle issue. Let me go inside, fire it up. Let me show you guys what we're up against. But as you can see right there, right off the bat, it will not idle. See, I got it down right below 1,000, right where it should be idling, and it won't. Let me show you again. Alright, so as you can see there, I can get it fired up, I can get it held at an RPM, but as soon as you let off and stop babying the throttle, it'll cut. So we're going to address the exhaust issue right now. I have the new piece over here. This is the old one with the cat. There's two O2 sensors on it, one on the cat, one further upstream, right there on the front. I need to go to the store, as usual, of course, and get a piece of pipe that connects these two. These are the same outer diameter, so I just need a pipe that goes between them. So I'm gonna measure that real quick, and then we'll go get what we need. All right, guys, we got the goods there. Now I'm gonna take the old exhaust pipe here, get that O2 sensor off, get it screwed into there, and then we'll go up underneath the Jeep, get her all hooked up. All right, easy enough. Now this can just go in my scrap pile. Alright, got our gasket here, got the hardware underneath already, and then we just take this flange and bolt it right up. Got the header pipe on, and I got our coupler here on our cat and back. So now I'm going to lift that up in there and attach it to the rest. Right, where is it? Right there. The rest of the exhaust is installed. O2 sensors are plugged in. Let's fire it up and see if that wasn't our problem. Alright guys, I got it to idle by itself. It took a little bit. I had to walk it all the way down. So something still isn't quite right. Maybe it's one of the sensors. I'll have to start testing them. But yeah, it definitely is an improvement of what we had. I assume because of the back pressure and the O2 sensor. And it definitely feels a lot smoother below 1,000 RPMs. But yeah, like I said, something still doesn't feel quite right. Obviously, because I had to walk it all the way down to idle. So the first thing I'm going to try is disconnect the battery. Normally when you do new O2 sensors, you have to do this to reset the computer. I figured I wouldn't have to because they were the same sensors that were on there before. But it's worth a try, I guess. So I'm going to disconnect the battery and see if that doesn't help. Now what I will also do in the meantime, while the battery's disconnected, I'm going to replace the throttle body there. This is off of one of my other good engines, and I know it's good. I feel like the water, maybe the idle air controller, got a little wet and messed with the sensors. So we're just gonna put on this throttle body with the good sensors on it and see if that helps too. All right, the battery's been disconnected for a few minutes now. Put on the airbox as well. So we're gonna reconnect and fire it up. All right. Fired right up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take it for a spin and see how she goes on the road. All right, guys. The tires are still at 15 pounds from when we went off-roading, but we'll be all right. It definitely ticks a little bit, but it's a 4.0. It'll be all right. Other than that, though, I think it's doing all right. Well, we made it to the car wash, so I'm gonna finally get this thing cleaned up after like 2 months, I think, is when we broke it. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, and yeah, it's running pretty good, guys. It has a little bit of a valve tick, but I think it'll be all right. That's pretty common on 4.0s. There's some weird smells coming into the cab, but I feel like that's just from all the new stuff we put on and whatnot. Yeah, so I think all I need to do is just drive it, but it's shifting fine. So yeah, let's get her cleaned. All right, she is nice and clean. Let's get her back home. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Nice short one for a change. I just wanted to get the Jeep running on its own, and we did that fairly easy, I think. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys like the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.